warm greetings to one and all present. Today I, Himani Upreti from Department of Commerce Graphic and Dean to University, India, is going to present our paper entitled Artificial Intelligence Tools Driving Innovation and Advancement in Audit and Assurance Towards Intelligent Risk Management and Transparency. My paper ID is 1073. Basically, this study examines how AI technologies are reshaping audit practicing by enhancing efficiency, transparency, and proactive risk management in an increasingly complex business environment. So nowadays, AI is acting as a catalyst for audit and assurance transformation. The audit profession is undergoing a structural transformation which is driven by artificial intelligence. Earlier, traditionally, the audit were designed for limited data sets and stable environments. However, if we talk about today auditors face massive data volumes, digital transactions, and real-time stakeholder expectations. So AI at this point of time with so much of challenges acts as a catalyst by enabling continuous analysis, deeper insights, and timely assurance, which makes audit more responsive and relevant. Traditionally, the audit rely heavily on the sampling techniques only, which may overlook anomalies in large data sets, which was very difficult to identify each and every anomaly in each and every transaction. So now AI, a fundamental shift has been made through AI, which enables full population testing in place of sample-based testing, which ensures that every transaction is analyzed, thus reducing the risk involved. The ultimate goal is to move towards intelligent risk management, where risks are identified proactively and enhanced transparency through such AI application, where audit findings are clearer, data-driven, and are more timely, done more timely. Beside this, key AI technology driving audit innovation involves and includes automation, machine learning, and the natural language processing. What actually automation does? Automation streamlines repetitive tasks. Machine learning helps in detecting various patterns and anomalies, while NLP helps in interpreting unstructured data such as contracts, reports, etc. Altogether, these technologies redefined how audit has to be planned, has to be executed, and then, yes, of course, reported. So for carrying on this particular study, a multifaceted research approach is being done that how AI can facilitate auditing. So what we have done, we have reviewed various articles. Our study basically synthesizes the insights from recent academic literature and the reports generated by industry on AI adoption in audit and assurance. We also conducted a comparative analysis between the traditional audits and AI-enabled audits, highlighting the various differences related to coverage, efficiency, risk assessment, and the role of the auditor earlier and now. So the literature consistently shows that AI improves audit quality while reducing time and the operational cost involved in the activity. This research paper is, yes, of course, as I stated, is multifaceted qualitative approach, and we have taken all these things. Beside this, industry case studies are being taken up. So Big Four has been taken. Examination of proprietary AI platform and strategic initiative developed by these Big Four has been taken into consideration to illustrate the real world application and impact of AI. So what actually we found with the study? Actually, AI is helping out in unlocking the efficiency and getting into the deeper insight with the various tools available. AI facilitate 100% population testing significantly, which improves the assurance level. Routine audit tasks like extraction of data, reconciliation, classification, these are being automated, which has resulted into 60 to 70% saving of the time. This has been found out through the various reports, usage by the various Big Four companies. Besides this, NLP tools analyze complex documents for compliance and risk indicators. These capabilities collectively enhance audit quality and reduces the human error, and yes, of course, increases the analytical depth. If you talk about the comparison between traditional audit and the AI-enabled audit, so the table shows that fundamental difference which lies between the traditional and AI-enabled audit is traditional audit was static, they were manual, they were quite compliance oriented, while AI has enabled a dynamic, predictive, and an insight-driven approach towards the auditing activity, which is a very relevant change brought by the adoption of AI. Importantly, the auditor role evolved from data checker to a strategic analyst and a professional judgment expert. Now he is not putting in his time into reviewing the documents or extracting the documents. He will be more focusing on having a proactive approach, strategic analyst, and a professional judgment expert. So, for detail or review of this study, we have taken big four innovation companies who have adopted the AI platform. So Deloitte, KPMG, PwC, and EY, these are the four accounting and assurance firms who have been taken under this study consideration. Leading firms are actively integrating AI into their audit platform. Deloitte Omnia Global Audit Platform leverages Gen AI and real-time analytics to enhance audit transparency. KPMG Clara platform enables continuous risk assessment and faster reporting through various cloud-based AI analytics. These platforms demonstrates how AI is operationalized at a large scale. Talking about PwC, AI native audit platform supported by a $1 billion investment embeds responsible AI governance into their core audit methodology. Ernst & Young's Helix platform focuses on advanced analytics and anomaly detection, allowing auditors to concentrate on major risk area, the high risk areas. Both platforms reinforces the role of AI in improving audit accuracy and definitely the trust of the stakeholders. While talking about application of AI into audit and assurance, ethical and operation hurdles must be taken into consideration. These are certain challenges which could be called as potential challenges, and there's a need to point out certain mitigating strategies for them also. So despite of multiple benefits discussed, AI adoption presents multiple challenges like data privacy risk, algorithm biasness, lack of model transparency, and definitely the skill gaps among the auditors. So these altogether called as black box nature of AI model, which raises concern about the explainability and regulatory acceptance. So there is a need to mitigate these hurdles and find out the future direction. So to address these challenges, firms must adopt strong AI governance framework, implement explainable AI, and invest in continuous upskilling of their auditing staff. So AI should be viewed as an augmentation tool, not at all as a replacement for a professional judgment, which is being done by the auditors, yes. The future of auditing, yes, of course, lies in predictive, transparent, and ethical governed assurance system, which should be acting as a complement for existing professional auditors. So, at the end, I would like to conclude by saying that yes, of course, AI is transforming audit and assurance by enabling full population testing, predictive risk management, and by enhancing the transparency, building up the trust among the stakeholders. However, its success will definitely depend upon the responsible governance, skilled professionals, and ethical implementation. The audit profession has to be continued, must continue to invest in technology, talent, and the trust so that it can fully realize the promise of intelligent assurance. These are the references. Thank you so much.